Children, good morning. Hope you all are safe. And today's class we are going to study assignment and transportation problem. Assignment problem in transportation, it is a special case of a problem. I'll explain you through this an example. And here there are 4 subordinates and the 4 tasks are given. We are going to assign each subordinate to one task. Okay. How to assign and such that it reduces, here the time is given so that the time also to be minimized. Okay. In sometimes it will be given even the cost also. The first step you have to check whether it is balanced or unbalanced. So how will you check here? Here you have to check, you have to find out number of rows and columns are equal or not. So number of rows and columns, there are 4 rows and 4 columns. Therefore, it is a balanced assignment problem. Now you have to bring it to the number, mean at least 1 0 in every row. For that you have to mark the smallest element. Which is the smallest number here? 8. So 8 minus 8 0, 18 minus 26 minus 8 is 18, 17 minus 8 is 9, 11 minus 8 is 3. And mark the smallest number, which is the 4. So 9 minus 4, 13 minus 4 is 9, 28 minus 4 is 24, 4 minus 4 0, 26 minus 4 is 22. Next, go to the third row. Third row, what is the minimum number? You have 15. So 15, if you subtract, what will happen? 38 minus 15, 23. 19 minus 15 is 4. 18 minus 15, 3. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Go to the next row. So the next row will be 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. 26 minus 9 is 17. 24 minus 9 is 15. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have in every row you have a 0. Now we have every row you have 0. For that only we have chosen the smallest number and subtracted. Now you check column. First column you have 0. Third column you have 0. Fourth column also you have 0. Now only where you don't have 0? In the second column. In the second column you do not have zeros. So therefore in the second column, so the write other columns as it is. Okay. So the first column number 0, 9, 23. Similarly third column and fourth column write as it is. 0, 9, 23, 0, 18, 24, 4, 17. Okay, and here it is 4 is the smallest, therefore 18 minus 4 is 14, 24 minus 4 is 20, 4 minus 4 0, 17 minus 4 is 13. Third column write as it is 9, 0, 3, 15, and the fourth column is 3, 22, 0 and 1. Okay, now I am going to make an assignment, and you before that check every row and every column at least 1 0. Okay, wherever you have 0, there you are going to mark an assignment with a rectangle symbol. Okay. Now look at the first row, you have only 1 0. In that time you check in the particular column also. So there you have another 0 that you cannot mark, therefore you put a cross over there. Then you move on to the second row. The second row you have how many zeros? Only 1 0. Okay, only 1 0. First row assignment made. Now the second row you have exactly 1 0. Therefore you mark an assignment. And third row you cannot mark because there are 2 zeros. Okay, there are 2 zeros in the third row, therefore you cannot mark. And fourth row, of course, there is no 0, so you cannot mark. Now you move to column. So the first column already you have assigned. Go to second column, you have only 1 0, therefore you have to mark an assignment. Check in that particular row. Okay, so there you have another 0, so put a cross over there. Then after that, so check the row as well as the column. Fourth row you cannot make, and fourth column you cannot make an assignment, but we have only marked 3 assignment. How many you are having? You have 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 rows and 4 columns, but we assigned only 3. So we need one more. For that, you have to move to one more step extra. You have to draw minimum number of lines that passes through 0. You have to draw minimum number of lines. Here I draw the lines like this. So I marked 3 lines, 2 vertical and 1 horizontal line, and you have to do 3 steps here. One is zeros, and if the number passing through one point, then you write as it is. If the number pass through 2 points, what are the numbers you have? 3 and 23. It passes through 2 lines. Okay, it passes through 2 lines. Then you have to add 1. Why we are adding 1? You unmarked numbers, what do you have? You have smallest number is 1. Okay, unmarked numbers, you have the smallest among that is 1. So you have to add 1 to the number which passed through 2 lines, that is 23 and 3. So 23 plus 1 is 24, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, unmarked elements you have to subtract 1, and other numbers, if the number passed through a line, then you write as it is. 2 lines means add 1. The rest of the numbers you have to subtract 1, because 1 is the smallest among unmarked numbers. Unmarked in the sense the line should not pass through. Okay, so now 14, 20 like that. Okay, so now the next step what you have to do is, so the write as it is 0, 9, 23 plus 1 is 24 and 0. Now 14 minus 1 is 13, 20 minus 1 19, 0 as it is, 13 minus 1 is 12, and then 9 you write as it is because it passes through one line, 0 as it is, 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, because it passes through 2 lines. 15 write as it is because it passed through a line. Then 3 minus 1 2, 22 minus 1 will be 22 minus 1 is 21, 0 as it is because it crossed by a line, and then 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now we are going to mark an assignment here. So first row has only 1 0, strike out the other 0 in that column. The second row has only 1 0, so you don't have any zeros in that particular column. Third row you have 2 zeros, so we cannot make an assignment. Fourth row you have 1 0, so you can make an assignment. In that column there is no 0. Okay, check row as well as the column. Now move to the first column, already assigned. Second column you have only 1 0. Now you can assign the 0. Now you have all the assignments made. Okay, 4 tasks, 4 subordinates and 4 tasks have made. Okay, so now our job is over, and after this you have to find the time. Okay, so look, compare this to the given question. So for P, which one you assigned 1? For Q you assigned 3. For R you assigned 2. For S you assigned 4. Okay, now you are going to prepare the table. In that table, first you have to mark the subordinates. Okay, the subordinates, what do you have? P. For P it is 1, Q it is 3, R it is 2, and S it is 4. So the corresponding duration, because here the time the question, therefore you have to note down the time: 8, 4, 19 and 10. Okay, you have to add 8, 4, 19 and 10. If you add, you will get 41 hours. If you assign like this, they will complete the work in 41 hours. Now next question, ask you to find the optimal solution for the assignment problem. This is the question, and here 4 rows and 4 columns. Therefore it is a balanced assignment problem. Balanced assignment problem. And find out the row minimum, 8. Now can you subtract? 11 minus 8 3, 17 minus 8 9, 8 minus 8 0, 16 minus 8 is 8. Now move to the second row. Smallest number is what? 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 7 minus 6 is 1, 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Third row, which is the smallest number? 12. So 13 minus 12 is 1, 16 minus 12 is 4, 15 minus 12 is 3, and 12 minus 12 is 0. go to the fourth row. What is the smallest number in the fourth row? 10. So 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, 2. And 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Now we have zeros in every row. Now we move on to the columns. Okay, where you don't have 0, second, third and fourth column you have 0. Only the first column don't have zeros. In that I am going to subtract column minimum. Okay, 1 is the minimum number. So that I am going to subtract here. 3 minus 1, 2. Again 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. And the rest of the columns you write as it is. Okay, now I am going to make an assignment. First row has only 1 0. Second row has again. So that column there is no other 0. Check the row as well as the column. Okay. So now we move on to the second row. You have 1 0. But other 0 you have to strike out. Because in a row and column you have to assign only 1. So the fourth row also exactly you have only 1 0. Now you move on to the column. In the first column you have only 1 0. So without crossing the line, here we are getting the answer. Okay. So now you have to find out the cost, because here the question is about the cost. Compare this with the question. Okay. So salesman and area and the cost. So first one is 8. The second one the 6. Wherever you assign that, there you have to put the circle in the question. 13 and 10. Okay. Now prepare the table. For P it is 3, Q it is 4, R is 1, S is 2. Salesman P is assigned for 3 and Q is assigned for 4 and R is assigned for 1 and S is assigned for 2. And find out the cost. So what will you get if you add all the 4 numbers? 8 plus 6 plus 13 plus 10. If you add, you will get rupees 37. Clear all of you children? Third problem. Solve the following assignment problem. And here the question given. And check the number of rows. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. But we have 3 columns. In order to balance, we have to introduce one dummy column, 0. Okay. Now, so the next step I am going to write the given question. I am going to add 0 in the fourth column. Now I have in every row I have 0. Now I want to bring in every column at least 1 0. So for that, find out the smallest number. So 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. And here 13 minus 9, 4. 26 minus 9, 35 minus 9 is 26. 18 minus 9 is 9. Coming to the second column, 20 is the smallest. So 26 minus 20 is 6. 27 minus 20 is 7. 20 minus 20 is 0. 30 minus 20 is 10. Now coming to the third column, 6. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 6 is 0. 15 minus 6 is 9. 20 minus 6 is 14. And the last column dummy, therefore write as it is. Now I am going to make an assignment. So I am going to check where I have exactly 1 0. Dummy column you need not consider. So the first row I have only 1 0. The second row I have a 0. And the third row I have 1 0. Okay. And the fourth row I cannot assign any of the men because the number is not 0. Therefore we are going to assign the last 0. We have only 3 men. Therefore 3 tasks only could be done. For the S task there will be nobody to complete it. Okay. So now look at this. So now we got P1, Q3, R2 and for S nothing. So you have to write 0. Okay, now prepare the table and from the question. So task PQRS and men. For P it is 1. For Q 3. For R it is 2. For S it is 0. What is the corresponding cost? P1 is 9. Q3 is 6. And for R it is 2. So which is 20, and for yes nothing, so 0. So if you add all the 4 numbers, you will get 35 rupees 35. Clear, children? Thank you, children, so for watching the video. We will see you again in the next online class.